Dear student, today I am going to discuss about that Blue Java introduction, how to write the program and how to start that BlueJ, how to make that class file and how to execute the program. So this type of icon that you will see on the desktop, if that Blue Java is installed, that you will open from this and double click and it will open. It will launch and it will launch with that previously opened class or project. But we will open our own project. With the starting we will discuss that. So after opening that, you will get that one, this type of previous project is there. So we will create a new project and we will specify there that name. So if that name I specify for class 8B, okay, so this project is created and you maximize this one, you will see that this project is created and that previous one you close. So this one is that project Blue Java that you will get like this. Now we need to create the program, how to write that program and how to that. What is that here? Class 8B, that is project name. Inside this project all the programs will be available what you will create. Class is that one, program we create. This one is used for the creating the class. Click on this, it will ask the class name. Suppose first program we are going to discuss, so program 1, we will write program 1, and if program is related to that event or related to anything, that you will specify according to that related name. So first word, first letter of the word will be capital, like that PROG. In short we can write also program 1. Now you will get this type of file. Now you can double click or right click open editor. That means we will open editor and editor we will write the program. So double click directly you can do also, you will get that editor and it is the editor. So here that you will select all, press Ctrl A, and after pressing Ctrl A you will get that. So after pressing that Ctrl A you will get that selection, and after that you erase or you directly start writing class program 1. Whatever name you have given here, that in a project name, so same name you will give that. That means one thing is clear in a Java when we are writing the program, so class name and that program name, that means file name, both will be the same. Now we will write here that one simple program for displaying our welcome to the world of Java. So only from this we will start. So main, and then you will write here that one message, welcome to the world of Java. Clear? Only this much we have written, and I write my channel name also, Sanjeev Sir HFS. True education is free education. Okay, now we close it, and after closing, suppose that this one you see that bracket and inside that you want to indent, so Control Shift I, what you will press? Control Shift I, then you will get that indentation, that automatically spaces or all the lines are arranged. Inside main whatever written, this one, so inside main this, and main is inside that class. So you see that different colors also, this one little bit green, and this is light green, this is yellow, and this is white, that body. Now after writing that, you close this program by pressing Ctrl W. After that you see that this is not compiled one, you have to compile also. If you compile from here, you can do from compiling, so click on the compile button. Otherwise in editor, when you were in editor, in that place you can do that also, compilation. So Control K is the key to compile. when you will press Ctrl K, you will see that class compiled and no syntax error. That means now your program is error free and you can run the program. So I see that by pressing Ctrl W, I close it. Now see that after compilation, class is looking like this. Okay, that means this is compiled one. Now right click, choose new program one and click on OK. So automatically you will get here the thumbnail of the object with the red color. Right click on this and choose void main method to call them. Now you are getting that output what 3 lines I have written, and this is displaying. This is the output. This is terminal window, and you understand that what I am saying. So BlueJava provides that terminal window for displaying the output. BlueJava provides that one place where you are writing the program. That means you can see this is the area where we are writing the program, editor. And BlueJava is having that also facility to debug the program, to run the program. And another is that this is output, that we are getting that output also, this one. So in a BlueJava we are getting that different places, editor for writing program, terminal window for displaying the output, and we are processing, we are writing that, and we are getting output like this. Ctrl W you press to close this. Now we start that program again, and if any changes you do here and without compilation, so like that, suppose that we write here free education is true education, and I have closed it. Now you see that file, this one thumbnail, that is showing that this is not compiled one. Now right click, compile. Now you see that. Okay, after compilation you can run the program each time if you do some changes. Now you see the output. Now output is free education is true education. Okay, in such a way we write any program or we display output, we get that output. Okay, so now next video tutorial we are going to discuss about that if statement and how to write that if statement program using BlueJ.